Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I am going to be making King Ranch soup for dinner tonight, and I thought I would bring you guys along for a Foodie Friday. So I'm going to try to get you closer to the pot so you can see inside. So I guess here's the lineup first of what it calls for. This is a rotisserie chicken that I just shredded. It needs about 1 chopped onion, about 1 chopped bell pepper, a little bit of taco seasoning, 2 cans of fire roasted diced tomatoes, a cup of chicken broth, a small can of green chilies, and a can of cream of mushroom soup. So we're just going to, and then it also takes a cube or a rectangle thing of cream cheese, but I'm not going to add that quite yet. And it says about 3 tablespoons of oil. I don't know that it needs quite that much. I'm going to do probably about a tablespoon. And I am going to add the chicken to the oil. And then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of this bouillon. Teaspoon. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 1 of the cans of the tomatoes, and you do not drain them. And then I'm going to fill this can up with water and add that as well. So that's a little bit more than a cup of broth, but do it to your liking. I'm going to go ahead and add this can of cream of mushroom. I'm just adding everything together. Second can of tomatoes and the can of green chilies. And I'm going to add most of the can, but these are hot, so I'm not adding the whole can. But I added probably 2/3 of it. I'm going to add enough onion to make it a chopped onion, and enough bell pepper for 1 bell pepper. And I'm just doing it to taste and to what I feel like it looks like. And then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of this taco seasoning. And I get this at Sam's Club. I just buy it in bulk like that. And I will stir this all together. And I'm going to let this cook until everything is nice and together for, I don't know, about 30 minutes or so. It probably doesn't need too long. And then I will add the cream cheese. And when I do that, I will bring you guys back. But this is what it looks like so far. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Kind of looks like chili. Ooh, and it tank chili. I think I'm going to use the serving spoon to stir it up. I have it on 6, but I'm going to turn it down to about 4. It smells really good. And it looks good. And so now I'm going to add this block of just cream cheese. It's just, one of the regular blocks. just going to put it right there and let it do its thing. You could chop it up and make it smaller, maybe a little easier to melt, but this is boiling so much it's going to melt quickly anyway. So that's that. We'll let that cook for probably another 30 minutes or so, and then we'll check it again. It'll be nice and creamy and yummy. All right, so this has been on the stove. I'm just stirring it all up. It looks really good. And you might serve it with some bread or some crackers or whatever. And I'm going to get a bowl for Tracy. And she's going to try it for us. And then I'm going to get a bowl for me. That one looked like it had a lot of chilies in it. I don't want a lot of chilies. It'll be too hot for me. And she's probably going to want some salt, so I'm going to get that. And I'll bring it over. All right. Hi, Tracy.
Hello.
She's going to try it.
I'm going to try it.
It's really hot.
Oh, it's delicious.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Yay. Thumbs up. So there it is. Thanks, guys.